accounting channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye. So in this, we'll come back to the formula session of Microsoft Excel. In this section we will see that how to extract the different parts of date with the help of the Microsoft Excel date functions. Look at this. This is the date 16/5/2015, but I do not like it as 2015. It is very old date. I want to see 2020. So we can see that extracting the different part of the date, we can use here, this is the formula, we can use this year function, month function, which will give us the number of month, this will give us the number of year, this will give us the day, and this will give us the week day, and this will give us the weekend number, week number. Extract the different parts of date. Here is the date. This is how you can extract different part of your date. Here, right, equal, year, and you give this reference, parenthesis close, enter. It is 2020. This is how you can extract the different parts of the date. Let's see here, how can we find the exact difference between two dates, find out the exact time in years, months, and days elapsed. This is exactly we have studied on in our previous video, one of our previous video, in which we have calculated age. But here is how we are going to find out the difference of elapsed time between 2 days. The date is 23/11/1960, and the next date is this 13/11/2020, which is the today's date. So how can we find the exact years and months and days? So with the help of this formula, we can find out the difference. Look at this. Here is the formula. DATEDIF B6 A6, B6 Y. This Y is giving us the year which are lapsed, and DATEDIF A6, B6 YM. This is giving us the months which are lapsed, and DATEDIF A6, B6 MD and days. Microsoft Excel by default says that they do not recommend to use the MD function. In fact, they says that it is giving some kind of error. So if we see that if it is exactly telling us that 59 year, 11 month, and 21 days are lapsed, we can little bit replace this formula. This is with the help of the one another formula. And this formula is, look at this, we have used this MD function, but in the next formula we did not use this MD function. Instead we have used this formula A12, which is the reference. Here should be a reference of A7, 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 and A7. Here is reference. "24 days." Look at this. And we use this 1 instead of, we should use here 0, because 1 is subtracting 1 day from this. So in this formula, this, if I write exact this 25/10/1944 here, Control C, Control V. Now we are going to see the result of both of the formulas. If I increase this, the addition of this section, it is giving us 25 days. If I little bit increase the font, that we can see it equally. Now this is the result of the same formula. When we use MD, we got this now with 19 days. When we use this section of formula with SA1 date minus year, month and days, we got the exact position of 76 year and 25 days. Now let's look at this 1920. It is kind of a 100 years period. If I drag this formula here, what do I get here? That 100 years 6 months and 14 days, 80 years 2 months and 28 days. So you can focus on this formula. And the MD function is, I mentioned that do not give the exact result, though in some of the situation we can use the MD function, but this is not the topic here. And since that the topic here is to find out the exact difference between the time elapsed of 2 days, so this formula is working suitable. I hope you guys understand this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, as we am scheduled to bringing more useful videos for you. So subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.